here for another wig review. Before we get started, leave me a shoe emoji if you're here checking out this video. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. That really helps me on YouTube and gets me in the algorithm. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Today, as you guys can see, we are going to be doing a wig review from So Good Wig Shops. And when I tell you this wig is under $20. Yes, girl. So the wig we're going to be doing today is by the Janet collection. This is the Gabriella wig in the color 2. This is their extended part lace collection. This wig comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It does come with baby hairs. I decided to tuck those in. So when I first got the wig, I ain't gonna lie to you, the part was good, but I did have to pluck it to give it a more realistic feel. This is how much hair actually came out from me plucking, so I did have to pluck it quite a bit. They did an okay job, but it definitely needs a little bit more work. Work to the part if you want to just make it realistic. I did add some powder to the part here, so I did go in with my little bronzer palette from Beauty Treats to go ahead and add that part, add it to the part. So this would be definitely about, I'm 5'7", so I would say this is about 16 inches. It does come right here. As far as the texture, this does give me like more realistic. I would say this would be just probably a fresh blowout if someone was supposed to do it, like if someone did a fresh blowout. As far as shedding goes, I do get a little bit of shedding, but not that much. I don't know if it has something to do with the part though, possibly, but still, even though with me plucking the part, I don't get that much shedding. This, I did not add any product to this, although I would suggest if you want to keep, if you did want to add any product, to only add maybe a spray bottle, put some water and a non-oil based conditioner and spray that if you like, to give it back its luster. I can definitely, this is the type of texture that you can do that too. So as far as the heat you can put on this, you can put this on up to 360 degrees, but I would definitely not suggest doing this. This is one of those type of wigs I personally feel like once it gets old in time, it will definitely look good. So definitely let me know what you guys think about this wig. Leave some comments below. I will leave a link below to this wig. I think they have a few more colors, so guys, you better make sure you get that. I'll also leave another link just to wig types. I know they also do have that there. So yeah, family, let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comments below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @SeeTheBeautyDiva to get up close and personal pictures. Also, if you guys are into the spiritual, yes, the spiritual, I do have my spiritual channel here, so make sure you guys check that out also. Until then, family, see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.